Hi friends, good morning. Please look at these three problems in trigonometry. Friends, problems are given in the description box. Friends, these problems are asked in RRB NTPC many times. So friends, important conclusions and easy conclusions. See friends, if you look at the first problem, if theta is equal to 20, then this is 60 minus 20. This is 60 plus 20. Friends, we know one trigonometric identity. Cos theta into cos 60 minus theta into cos 60 plus theta is equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. That is equal to 1 by 4 into, friends, theta 20. 60 cos 60 1 by 2. So the answer for the first question is 1 by 8, friends. Similarly, the second question is also 20, 60 minus 20, 60 plus 20. So the second question is also in the form of sin theta into sin 60 minus theta into sin 60 plus theta. So friends, the trigonometric identity of sin theta into sin 60 minus theta into sin 60 plus theta is 1 by 4 into sin 3 theta. 1 by 4 into sin 3 theta. That is equal to 1 by 4 into, friends, theta 20 is 60. Sin 60 root 3 by 2, friends. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. So this is equal to root 3 by 8. So that is the answer for the second question, friends. And the third question is also in the similar format. That is tan theta into tan 60 minus theta into tan 60 plus theta. Friends, the trigonometric identity of tan theta into tan 60 minus theta into tan 60 plus theta is equal to tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta. Friends, theta 20, tan 60. Friends, tan 60 root 3, friends. Thank you, friends. Very important conclusions. These questions were asked in RRB NTPC many times. So please take carefully. Thank you.